Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that will show you how to change the font style in Weebly. Just before I do so, there's a link in the description down below that will take you through to a free trial version of Weebly. So if you would like to access it for free, if you haven't tried it already, click the link down below and that'll take you straight through. So as you can see, when you select text in the website editor, a host of options appear, but none of them allow you to change the font, unfortunately. So to access that particular option, you're going to need to go to Theme at the top here in the menu system, and then you'll see Change Fonts in the menu there. So if you select that, you've got then the ability to change the font style for every aspect of your website as a group, like so. So it gives it consistency. So as you can see, it's kind of not obvious what group this text belongs to, but luckily for us, when you scroll over the group that they do belong to, then they are highlighted as so. You can see a box appears around them. So if you're thinking, I wonder what text that is, because there's a lot of groups of texts here, and then you can identify them easily. So if we go for the paragraph text, for example, give that a click, you can see that we can increase and decrease the size there, as well as change the font style and the font itself there. Okay, so it's very sort of intuitive and easy in the color and very self-explanatory to do so. And then once you hit publish, that change will take effect on your website. And that concludes the tutorial. So like I said, there's a free trial version of Weebly available down below in the description for this video as a link. So if you'd like to try it out, give that a click. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can leave them as comments down below as well. Thank you very much.